Hello everyone! In this video, we will be discussing the Allan Block Contractor Certification Program. Now, what is the Allan Block Contractor Certification Program? It's a program designed to give contractors the proper training and tools to ensure top quality retaining walls are built. As a leader in the industry, Allan Block Corporation has developed these tools and training programs to help contractors get the knowledge and resources they need. There are 3 phases to the program, with AB Certified Master Wall Builder being the final phase. The first phase in the program is Level 1, Certified Wall Installer. To become one, you must attend an Allan Block Contractor Certification Training course and complete a written test. After completing the training course, you then must construct one Allan Block wall that is a minimum of 3 feet tall and 300 units. Once these steps are completed, you are on the road to Master Wall Builder with the first phase completed. The second phase in the program is Level 2, Experienced Wall Installer. To gain this level of achievement, you must complete 5 additional Allan Block projects. Each wall must meet certain specifications, so be sure to check those out on the contractor certification page on our website. The final step in the program is becoming an Allan Block Master Wall Builder. To become a Master Wall Builder, you must install a total of 25,000 full-size units or 10 walls with an average of 1,000 units per wall. Same as Phase 2, each wall needs to meet specific requirements, so I encourage you to check those out on the website. Another incentive to the AB Contractor Certification Program is our AB Rewards Program. We have a whole host of different rewards we will send you as you build using Allan Block products throughout the year. Understand that there is no timeline to achieve the AB Master Wall Builder status. As you build each project, let your local rep know so we can add each project to our database. We will then notify you once you have achieved each level. Check out allanblock.com for more information about contractor certification levels. From the home screen, select the Contractors page link. Navigate to the other resources and products table and select Contractor Certification.